Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to find your Chase bank routing number. So here's a simple workaround on how you can easily find your Chase bank routing number. So the first thing to do is make sure you open the Chase mobile app or go to the Chase website. Then from there you have to sign in with your username and password. Then from the dashboard, select the account you want the routing number for. Then tap the account details. Then on step 12, you will see both your routing number and the account number listed there. Then alternatively, you can also check the bottom of your Chase checkbook. The first 9-digit number is your routing number. And also you can also contact the Chase customer support if you still can't find it. And that's how you can easily find your Chase bank routing number. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.